Dear future flyer,
I remember my first days on campus. Meeting new friends, figuring out where my classes were. I was a little nervous, but also excited.
This community quickly became my second family. You don't expect your school to become your home, but at UD, it does.
I think it's the Catholic, Marianist values here that help create a place where everyone is welcomed and valued and feels like they belong.
We're surrounded by our friends throughout our time here. You start in a traditional residence hall, and by your senior year, we're living together in our campus neighborhood.
We have support when we need it, and that helped me through some of the challenges of college life.
It took me a while to find my direction, but my mentors helped me discover who I could be.
My advisor was so helpful. Planning classes, finding help on campus, he was my lifeline.
She was always there to listen, to help me work through whatever challenges came my way.
She didn't necessarily give me all the answers, but she helped me figure out my next steps and connected me with resources.
My advisor helped me think about how I could get experience related to my major.
you get real-world experiences that prepare you for your career.
I never thought I'd be doing meaningful research as an undergrad.
We were managing an $80 million investment fund.
The concepts really came to life when I started applying them in my co-op position.
And spending time reflecting on my experience helped me learn more about myself and gave me confidence for whatever comes next.
Choosing UD is one of the best decisions I've ever made.
I didn't know how much my time here would shape me. It's gonna be hard to leave this place and these people.
Embrace every opportunity. Cherish each moment. It will be over before you know it.
Dear future flyer, you are about to embark on an incredible journey.